In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view any LinkedIn profile anonymously. We're going to use LinkedIn's built-in privacy settings so you can look at profiles without revealing your name, job title, or company. One quick heads up before we start. When you switch to private mode, LinkedIn won't show you who has viewed your own profile. That's the trade-off for staying anonymous, and it reverts as soon as you turn visibility back on. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Click the official LinkedIn website in the results to go to the homepage, then sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your LinkedIn feed, look to the top of the page for the profile menu labeled Me. It's next to your profile photo. Click that to open the drop-down, then choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account control center, where LinkedIn organizes everything by category. On the left-hand side, find the section labeled Visibility. This area controls what others can see about you across LinkedIn, including how you appear when you view someone else's profile. Click Visibility to open its options. Next, locate Profile Viewing Options. This is the setting that determines what other people see in their viewer list when you visit their pages. Click it to open the choices. You'll see a few visibility levels. To be fully anonymous, select Private Mode. With this enabled, people whose profiles you visit will either see LinkedIn member or no identifiable details at all. There's no Save button to press. LinkedIn applies the change immediately. So once you click Private Mode, you're set. Now you can browse and open any LinkedIn profile without revealing your identity. This is especially helpful when you're researching companies, preparing for interviews, checking out potential clients, or simply exploring career paths without leaving a footprint. A few tips as you use this. If you prefer a middle ground, LinkedIn sometimes offers a Private Profile Characteristics option that shows only broad details like industry or job title, without your name. To be completely hidden, keep Private Mode selected. If you ever want to see who's viewed your own profile again, just return to the same setting and switch back to showing your name and headline. Also note that the layout may look slightly different on mobile, but the path is the same. Me, then Settings and Privacy, then Visibility, then Profile Viewing Options, and finally Private Mode. That's it. You now know how to view LinkedIn profiles anonymously and how to switch back when you're done.